back to another episode of Rosengold. I'm your host, IK, and this is our lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Mario.
Everything is everything, and today we have a lot of hot topics for you. So let's get into it.
The Blood Family!
Starting it off with our first hot topic, we have Meghan Markle. Ellen, her channel just recently posted an old throwback interview with Miss Meghan Markle, Duchess of Sussex.
Meghan, the Duchess of Sussex.
And we really appreciate Meghan. Meghan was very profound, she looked very well, and she talked about two of her books actually on the show. What are your thoughts about this, IK? And then let's also get into our She's Hot contest winner of this week.
And I'm going to have to agree with you on this one, Dr. Ross. Miss Meghan Markle always comes out and she's always phenomenal.
That's
so
true.
For this appearance, I'm going to give her a 10, as she always does great.
What do you mean by that?
And we look forward to seeing her back with her next show in the spotlight, whether she has a new movie, new documentary, or something going on with her non-profit, or a new book. Since,
That's right.
as we all know, Meghan is constantly out in the industry, breaking the pavement.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
That's right, because she just recently signed again with Creative Artist Agency, so she might be making some new movies. IK and I would love to work with you in the future, Miss Meghan, and put you in one of our films.
This is exactly what I've been waiting for.
However, let's get into our next hot topic.
Which is our She's Hot contest winner. Our She's Hot contest winner of this week is Miss Meghan Markle. Congratulations, Miss Meghan Markle, on your win for the She's Hot contest. You looked fantastic and stunning. Tell Harry we said hi.
Oh my god.
Congratulations on your win. And to all of our dear viewers, you may notice that this is the second time we've given Miss Meghan Markle the win. If
That
you've
is
been
true.
watching previously. And we had to do it 2 times, since Miss Meghan Markle really deserves this win.
Exactly.
Congratulations on your win. We can't wait to see you become queen.
For our next hot topic, we have Miss Lizzo. So Lizzo is recently in some hot water right now because allegedly she was doing some shadiness with her background dancers, pretty much allegedly forcing them to, do the deed with her.
I can't believe you've done this.
Doing inappropriate things behind stage. Miss Lizzo, no comment. That's all I'm gonna have to say about this one.
First and foremost, as we all know, there's a lot of smoke and mirrors in the entertainment industry. I'm not trying to badmouth or say anything bad, but when you're at that stature, obviously you're going to be doing a few crazier things once you make a little bit of the cha-ching and also get some more power.
Exactly, because she has power over those background dancers because they want the job.
That's right.
So,
as much as I hate to say it, it was inevitable, but we still want to see Miss Lizzo doing great. We want to see good things happen. As we know, for the next good while, she's probably not going to be doing a lot of concerts, TV shows. And Lizzo is in a lot of things if you don't know. She was in Barbie, the music. She was tons of other shows.
No cap!
Like IK said, smoke and mirrors in Hollywood. But let's close off these hot topics because IK and I have things to do and places to be. IK and I are about to head out to the movies, but tomorrow we will be filming another scene for our personals XYZ. You can follow our Instagram right here to keep up to date with the film. If you're an actor or a writer, director, or even just crew, make sure to contact us if you're interested in being in one of IK and I's future films, because this one is getting wrapped up.
Yeah, boy.
Kylie Jenner, that's for you. We still haven't forgotten about you. The She's Hot winner, Akata, cotton picker.
Don't forget to vote.
Exactly. We'll see you on the next episode.